I don't know if scooter touring is a thing right now, but I have a solution for it. Over the years, scooters and e-scooters grew really popular, and I haven't found any touring bag solution for them. So here is my take on it. I don't own a scooter right now, but I had to borrow this one. Thank you for that. And let's see if a CandyWrap bag will fit on this scooter. Get your CandyWrap bag, unroll it, roll up one end to about here and buckle it. Then take your item you want to stuff in it and put it inside. And buckle the other side, like so. Let's mount this. I think the CandyWrap bag would fit here. Let's clip it around the handlebars, like so. Take the bottom part, unclip it, and clip it around the steering tube, like so. Okay, now put a second CandyWrap bag on it. Looks good to me, I would say. Let's see if a third bag would fit too. Here's the third bag. I mounted the third bag on the first and the second bag and also clipped it around the steering tube. Looks a bit wonky, but it works. I forgot to mention, you can still access your bottle cage if you get real thirsty during riding. I know what you're asking, but will it stay put? Let's test it. I think it hold up. Yay! Do the math. If you unroll a CandyWrap bag to the maximum, you could fit 7.6 liters in it. There are 3 CandyWrap bags on this scooter right now, so 7.6 times 3 makes 22.8 liters of storage. So technically you could tour in a scooter. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!